Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace alternator on Toyota Camry V6. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable and letting the system power down for a few minutes to avoid shorts. Next, loosen the belt tensioner and remove the serpentine belt from the alternator pulley. Keep bolts organized and inspect wiring for corrosion so reinstallation is straightforward and reliable, helping you avoid surprises during testing after installation. Now remove the alternator carefully while keeping track of bolt locations and wires for easier reassembly. Support the alternator as you remove the final mount bolt to prevent it from falling and damaging surrounding components. Take note of the belt routing and any worn pulleys so you can replace parts if needed. Clean the mounting surface and check connectors for corrosion before installing the new unit to ensure good electrical contact. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless after greasy repairs, with voice control and smart mapping that saves time when you need a tidy workspace. It picks up metal shavings and sawdust so your garage stays safer and neater. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the replacement alternator into place and secure mounting bolts snugly, but avoid over-tightening. Reattach the electrical connections exactly as labeled or photographed, ensuring clean contact on terminals. Reinstall the serpentine belt and apply proper tension, then reconnect the battery negative cable. Start the engine and verify charging voltage at the battery and listen for abnormal noises. If charging is steady and no warning lights appear, the job is complete and your Camry is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.